Jai Hind. Welcome to Computology Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the theory that was given by Malthus and how it relates to the population control, what was his views, and how does it links with the coronavirus pandemic right now, which is going on in India as well as throughout the world. So how does the population control may have evaded the coronavirus pandemic or other pandemics? There are various pandemics in the past also, and these pandemics are because of various factors, and one of which is the excessive population in the world. The load of the population and the extraction of the resources in the world is causing various strains in the natural balance. The natural balance is getting disturbed, and because of this various pandemics may occur. So myself Vidyanand Singh, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. So let us start. So he is Thomas Robert Malthus. So Malthus was basically an economist. He lived between 1766 to 1834, and he was a welfare economist, and basically he was doing the research on the welfare of the people. And in England, he was in England, and at that very time the societal condition of England was not so good because of the era when he lived. At that era there was the industrial revolution. Because of this industrial revolution, there was various issues among the common people, like the poverty, cases of illness, pandemics. Various issues were there. They were not having the proper food resources, etc., and they were getting exploited because of low wages level. So he wrote an essay on the principles of population in 1798, and in that he stated that because of higher population level there is sufferings among the people, because with which there is the availability of the resources, the pace with which there is increase in the resources, at that pace the population doesn't increase. The population increase with the higher pace than the pace with which the availability of the resources and the livelihood increases, and because of this people are suffering. So here what he says, that he was basically researching in the Western European region. So in the Western European region and the United States, these were the regions which was his area of study. And around this time, when he was there in 18th century, this was the period when the Europe and the United States were experiencing the industrial revolution. And that very time he said that the population increases in the geometric progression while the livelihood resources increases in the arithmetic progression. So this is the population and this is the livelihood resources. So he says that the livelihood resources increases in the arithmetic progression, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. Okay, while the population increases with the geometric progression, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and 256. So he says that whenever there is the availability of livelihood resources that can handle only 9 people, till then the population increased to 256. So there is a huge gap of availability of livelihood resources and the population present over there. So because of this, what happens, most of the population is suffering because of lack of resources, and there will be pandemics or natural disasters like flood, droughts, etc., or volcanic eruption, and through that the nature tries to maintain the balance between the availability of the resources and the population which is going to live on that resources. So this was the research he made, and he published the essay on his theory, and his theory was based on empirical studies of the Western Europe. And because of this, he says that there is poverty in the most of the regions among most of the people because of the lack of resources and unequal distribution of resources. So this is the reason, this may be the reason why there is pandemic, because we have seen that there is, after this pandemic, there was a great reduction in the pollution level in the atmosphere as well as in the water level in the various regions where there were lockdown due to this pandemic, and the people were experiencing the better weather condition and air condition. So this may be a natural mechanism to balance the equilibrium between the availability of the resources and the population load on the earth. And this is the situation what is being experienced in the African countries and the South Asian countries nowadays, and in Latin America, where it is in the phase of, these regions are in the phase of developing. And that was the situation with the Western Europe in the 18th century, and the same industrialization and development is being done in these regions, that is the southern hemisphere regions nowadays. And because of this, what happens, these regions are more affected by the pandemics, drought, floods, etc., because of not having the proper population balance. Here in these regions, the Western European countries and the American countries, here you can see the fertility rate among the population is very low. They are in some cases below the replacement rate. The replacement rate is 2.1, while in some countries in the Western Europe you may find that the fertility rate is even below this. So in the details of this fertility rate and the details of the Malthusian theory, we will go on the other video. And here you can see that the current situation in India, recently there was in news that the dead bodies are floating in various rivers such as Ganga, etc., as well as there is unavailability of the resources at the cremation grounds as well as in the burial grounds because of the high number of deaths and casualties due to the coronavirus. Here you can see that this is the disturbance of equilibrium due to the pandemic, and this may lead to some kind of equilibrium when the population load will come. This is a knee-jerk spilled mechanism by the nature to balance the equilibrium between the availability of the resources as well as the population load on the earth. So here we finish the discussion on the Malthusian theory and the related coronavirus aspects. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. And this is our Facebook and Instagram handle. You can join us here and follow us here. You can join the Telegram channel to get various resources such as the study materials, etc., and you can get various courses on our website, that is www.computology.com, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.